Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add payout method in StockX. First, you have to click on the people icon at the top right corner, and then you have to go to wallet. Now in this wallet section you can add a buying info. Simply click on edit button. Now here you can see you can add a payment method. You can add your credit card or debit card. You can add your Visa card or your MasterCard. Now from here, first you have to enter the billing address, like your first name, last name, the state, and the address and the city. Then you have to select the state and the zip or postal code from here, and here you have to enter a active phone number. Now after click on next, you just need to enter the details of your credit card or debit card. You just need to enter your card holder name, then your card number, then the CVV or security number, and your expiration date. Then you have to confirm that you are adding your credit card or debit card to your StockX account. After completing the credit card and debit card, you will find that you have saved your credit card and debit card as a payment method. You also can go with PayPal account. Just simply click on it and it will redirect you to the PayPal checkout page, where you just need to enter the email address or the mobile number that you have linked or registered with your PayPal account. Then simply click on next, and then you have to enter the password of your PayPal account. Then you just need to grant a permission to add your PayPal account to your StockX account. That's how you can add your credit card or debit card, or you can also add your PayPal account as the payout method in StockX. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.